How to log into GhibliArt AI website with Google. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, tap on the search bar and search for GhibliArt AI. In the search results, you will see the official website of GhibliArt AI. So navigate to this website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of interface. Now in order to log in with Google, here you can see the sign in option at the top right corner. Tap on it. Once you're in the sign in page, you can see these kind of options. In order to log in with your Google account, you must have already created your account with Google before. Only after that you can sign in with your Google account. Here you can see sign in with Google option at the top. Tap on it. It will prompt you to select the Google account that you have in your device. Select the Google account that you have used to create your account before. Tap on continue. And there you go. That's how you can easily log in with Google account in GhibliArt AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.